Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan here. Today we're going to be trying another muffin cup. This one's going to be banana and apple, but the difference today is I'm going to use my handheld mixer to see if I can get them a little more airy. But anyway, let's get to it. It'll be quick and easy, painless, as they say, but nutritious. Okay, I put 9 muffin cups in here on account I don't have that many eggs left. Didn't think of that, but anyhow, I hope I make that many. Okay, right here we have the bowl to mix in. Got 2 bananas. Got 1 apple, of which I'm not going to use the whole thing. We're just going to make these in little chunks and put it into the batter. Here we have vanilla extract. Yo, pick it up. It's a good thing that cap was on, huh? Got vanilla extract. We got some cinnamon and some nutmeg, and here's my hand mixer. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, so right now I haven't peeled the apple yet. That's one thing I'm going to do, but right now I just want to beat up these eggs a little bit. As you guys know me, I like beating up the eggs before I do anything else with them. Even though we're going to mix them with an egg beater today, or hand mixer, whatever you call it. I remember when I was a little kid, my grandmother got an electric one. She was so excited because she always used to have that handheld, you know. So anyway, she got her first electric one. She was so excited. Little things, you know. But anyhow, like I say, you know, take your banana, same recipe, different ingredients. Well, kind of the same in a way, but this is not quite blueberry, but it's close. This will probably be the last one I do like this anyway. Put that in the sink. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, pinch of nutmeg. And I know Penny spreaded rumors about the stuff I wipe on the floor, so I was instructed today to watch myself. So a pinch of nutmeg. There's a pinch. Pinch to grown inch. Not the same, huh? I don't know why I'm putting that back on. I'm going to take it off for the next batch, but that's all right. I just want to see how much this makes with just the normal one little batch thing. You know what I'm saying? A little cinnamon. Put extra cinnamon in on account of this is apple. And a couple of drops of the vanilla extract. And then I'm going to take my little beater here. Should have probably mashed this up with the fork first, but okay, so now that's a little bit incorporated there. Nothing be floating. I'm just doing this trying to see if I can, I said that the last time I made it, the time before, so today I'm trying it. Like keep some air into it, you know? Okay, put this underneath there so if it drips. Okay, so now I got to cut some apple up, so I'm not going to put you guys through that. We'll be back in a second. Okay, so So I cut me some small apple chunks here. Pretty, not tiny, but they're tiny. I'll say like that. Huh? Okay. So what we're going to do, just like before, I'll take a little of this bubbly mess now and gently scoop some in to each cup. Okay. Then we're going to take a little apple and throw some in there. Now, I was going to show you guys a trick, but I wasn't making no more blueberry, right? But there's a little trick with the blueberry. If you coat the blueberries with a little bit of flour before you pop them in, they won't bleed and they won't turn your cupcake or whatever you're making purple. The coating will solidify around the berry and you'll be done. Well, I think this will prove something, because when I do it by hand, this is pretty much what I get right here. No extra. I think I got enough to make another one or two of these bad boys, huh? Okay, so now we're going to top off with a little bit more apple. Well, these will be good. You guys will actually love them. They're so easy to make, and they're very healthy. There's no flour in them, none of that glutton stuff, whatever. You might be a glutton eating them, though. Okay. Just going to top that off with a little bit more juice. No, not OJ. Okay, you guys didn't get the reference, I guess, huh? Well, the guy in the back row, he's still laughing. Okay, now these are the same thing with these. They are gonna, when you cook them, they'll puff up. You know, they'll swell up a little bit, but they go back down. So, I got enough to make 2 partials here. And that was about 1/3 of the apple that I cut up, so this is working out pretty dang good if you ask me. Another sliver in there, huh? Okay, so you guys see how to get that done, right? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to mix up my other half of the batch and we'll be back. Okay guys, so there you have it. I filled up 9 of them, surprisingly enough. This one, not so much. It's just about there. I turned my oven on while you guys was watching somebody else. And here we're going to put just a little bit more cinnamon on top because of the apple. And these are going on, putting them at 425, and we're going to cook them about 20 minutes, give or take. And then they should be ready to eat in a few. So, doesn't that look nice? Okay, we'll be back. Just want to give you guys a little peek just to show you how it rises like that. It's crazy. All right. They're coming along just fine. Be done in a few minutes. Okay, guys, there you have it. Fresh out of the oven. They're nice and firm. So let me let these cool down a bit, and we'll have some for munchies. Now, see how this one really blew out of the sock, right? Look at that. It'll shrink down a little. But, yeah, they're looking good. Okay, guys, as you can see, Elmo jumped right in on that one. Here's your little buddy there, waiting to delve in. Okay guys, I hope you can see me. This camera girl is busily working back there. Anyway, there it is. Let me give it a little taste. I don't know if you can really see it, but it's got a few more air bubbles in it than last time. I was just trying to make it a little more cake-like, that's why I used the egg beater. And I think it worked. This has a more puffier consistency. I'll tell you what, we knocked this one out of the park. So, you guys need to give it a try. It is delicious. Banana apple cups. That's when you get the bananas you're ready to turn. Don't throw them away, use them. Recipe so simple, quick. And no matter what you use, apple, blueberry, I don't know, maybe you can put pears in there, who knows? Penny wants me to try strawberry, but I don't know if I want to make another video, but delicious. Okay, let me get my queen some of this, because she's working and I know she's hungry. So without further ado, this is Mr. Dan saying, when you're out and about, cover up, protect yourself as well as others. Wash your hands, wash your hands. When you're out and about, get you some of that gel, the sanitizing gel or the spray. Take care of your hands before you start driving away. Don't talk with your mouth full, but if you have to, and you need to spread the word, you can do it with a dish like this. This is great. Give us a like, share with your friends, subscribe if you haven't yet. And when you do, notification bell will pop down. When that does, you hit it, and that will let you guys know each time you get a new video popping out by us. Then also up in that same area, the little arrow down button right below the video screen, you hit that and the drop down box will come down. That'll give you the complete recipe, the instructions, the ingredients, how to make it. Also a link to our Facebook Cooking with Mr. Dan page, and also a link to my daughter's artwork site, because you guys might want to check that out. She does some good stuff. But anyway, this is Mr. Dan saying, stay hungry, my friends, and when you are, come back and we'll give you another delicious recipe just like this. So guess what? Last bite. Cheryl, Carla, this is for you. Thank you. Joanne, you too.